In this video, I'm going to explain how you'd create an Azure File Share so you can store and access files in the cloud just like a network drive. If you want to practice this yourself on labitpro.com, visit the URL in the description. To begin the deployment, you want to select the storage account that will host your file share. On the overview page for the storage account, you'll click on File Service, which will take you to the section used to manage file shares within the storage account. Next, you'll click on Add File Share. This action will initiate the creation of a new file share. You'll then name the file share Marketing. After that, you'll click on the Access Tier dropdown. You'll need to consider how frequently the data in this file share will be accessed. For this lab, you'll select the Hot tier, ensuring that the file share is optimized for frequent access, which is typical for a marketing file share. After configuring the access tier, you'll click Next Backup to view and configure backup settings. However, since you're not enabling backups in this lab, you'll uncheck the Enable Backup checkbox. Then you'll click Next Review to review and confirm your settings. If everything looks good, you'll click Create. This will finalize the creation of the file share and start the provisioning process in Azure. You'll then wait for the deployment to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the configuration. Once the deployment finishes, you'll be taken to the Overview page, where you'll view all the settings and details for the newly created file share. At this point, you'll have successfully created and configured a new Azure file share ready for use in cloud-based file storage scenarios. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit like and subscribe so you're notified when my next video drops. And if you want to actually try this out yourself, head over to labitpro.com and check out the free hands-on Microsoft Azure labs that are available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.